Hello everyone, to discuss water resource subject and topic is evaporation. Contents: evaporation, factors affecting evaporation, measurement of evaporation, water budget method, evapotranspiration and its measurement, sediment transport, etc. First of all, evaporation. Evaporation is a process in which a liquid changes to gaseous state to free surface below the boiling through transfer of heat energy. Now, evaporation is a fundamental part of the water cycle and is consequently occurring throughout the nature. Examples of evaporation can include sweating and the rain cycle, etc. This diagram shows evaporation. Basically, ocean में जो water है वो इवेपोरेशन हो इवेपोरेट के थ्रू सन के जाता है, देन सन क्लाउड बना के फिर से पानी नीचे गिरता है जो कि रेनफॉल में कन्वर्ट होता है. दिस इज द इवेपोरेशन प्रोसेस. राइट साइड डायग्राम, boiling is also provided and evaporation is also provided. This diagram shows how can rainfall will be created, how can environment, how can evaporation will be created. Large amount of water evaporate and sun reach, and through the sun cloud, and then rainfall is start. Now, factors affecting evaporation. First one is vapor pressure. The rate of evaporation is directly proportional to difference between saturation vapor pressure at water temperature and EW and the actual vapor pressure in air EA. That means the mathematical equation EL is equal to C into EW minus EA. EA is the actual or EW is the water pressure. That means above equation is known as Dalton law of evaporation. This equation is also known as Dalton's law of evaporation. Dalton is a scientist and give the equation, and this equation is known as Dalton's law of evaporation. EL is equal to rate of evaporation. C is a constant. EW and EA are in mm of mercury. Point 2. Temperature. Rate of evaporation increases with an increase in temperature of water. Third point, wind aids in removing evaporated water vapor from zone of evaporation and consequently greater scope of evaporation. Now point 2, temperature. Rate of evaporation increases with an increase in temperature of water. Point 3, wind aids in removing evaporated water vapor from zone of evaporation and consequently greater scope of evaporation. Fourth point is atmospheric pressure. Decreases in atmospheric pressure as in high altitude increases vapors. Soluble salts. When a solute is dissolved in water, vapor pressure of solution is less than the pure water, hence causes reduction in rate of evaporation. Last point is 6. Heat storage in water body. Deep water bodies have more heat storage than shallow ones. A deep lake may cause radiation energy stored in summer and released. It is winter, causing less evaporation in summer and more evaporation in winter. Here 2 points will be considered: deep and shallow. Shallow means that means the whole area is large, but deep means whole area is small, but deep length is maximum. Measurement of evaporation. Amount of water evaporated from a water surface can be estimated 3 techniques. The 3 methods techniques are by using experimental data, empirical evaporation equation, and analytical methods. Evaporators are water containing pans which are exposed to the atmosphere, and loss of water by evaporation is measured at regular intervals. Around 4 types of evaporations are generally used. Class A evaporation pan, ISI standard pan, uh, Colorado Shankar pan, US Geological Survey floating pan. Now, Class A evaporation pan, this diagram shows it is a standard pan of 1210 mm diameter and 255 mm depth. Depth of water is maintained between 18 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Evaporation measures are made by using measuring depth of water with a hook gauge. ISI standard pan, this pan is ACA modified class A pan 1220 mm diameter with 255 mm diameter thickness. A fixed point gauge indicates level of water. Gauge provides a test instrument. A calibrated cylindrical measure is used to add or remove water level in a pan to a fixed mark. Now, Colorado is sunk pan. This pan 920 mm square and 460 mm deep in made of unpainted galvanized iron steel and body into the ground. Advantage is radiation aerodynamic characteristics are similar to those in lake. Now, US Geological Survey floating pan, this is a square pan which is 900 mm side and 450 mm depth is supported by drum floats in middle of raft inset a float in a lake. Water level in pan is kept at same level as the lake, leaving a rim of 75 mm. Disadvantage is high cost of installation and maintenance. Pan coefficient. Evaporation pans are not exact method of large reservoir and have following drawbacks. First one is that they differ in heat storing capacity and heat transfer from the sides and bottom. As a result of this factor, evaporation from a pan depends to a certain extent on its size. Second one is that the height of rim in an evaporation pan affects wind action over the surface. And finally, therefore, evaporation observed from a pan has to be corrected to get evaporation from lake under similar climatic and exposure condition. That means lake evaporation is equal to Cp into pan evaporation. Cp is equal to pan coefficient. Now, values of pan coefficient Cp, type of pan, range of Cp, average value of Cp. Class A land pan range is 0.6 to 0.80 and average value 0.70. ISI pan 0.65 to 1.10 and average value is 0.80. Colorado Shankar pan 0.75 to 0.86 and average value 0.78. USGS a floating pan 0.70 to 0.82, average value 0.80. Empirical evaporation equations. In empirical equations, you have two techniques. First equation is given by Marie's formula and second is the by Rover's formula. Marie's formula EL is equal to Km EW minus EA upon 1 minus 1 plus U 9 upon 16. That is here, EL is equal to lake evaporation in mm per day, EW is equal to saturated evaporated pressure at water surface temperature in mm of mercury. EA is equal to actual vapor pressure of overlying air at a specified height in mm of mercury. U9 is the monthly wind velocity in kilometer per hour at about 9 meters above the ground. And Km is the equal to 0.36 for large deep water and 0.50 for small shallow waters. Rohr's formula consider correction for the effect of pressure in addition to wind speed effect and given by L is equal to 0.771 into 1.465 minus 0.0000732 PA into 0.44 plus 0.0733 U naught into EW minus E, where P is equal to mean barometric reading in mm of mercury, V0 is equal to mean wind velocity in kilometer per hour at ground level, which can be taken to be the velocity at 0.6 meter height above the ground. These are simple to use and permit the use of standard meteorological data. Analytical methods of evaporation. It's basically there are three types of water vapor equation: energy balance method and mass transfer method. We have discussed in next class. Okay, thank you.